Hi guys, your girl Yammi, and I'm here at Magic Kingdom. Why? I hear the train coming in right now. But we're here to go ride Tron. We got our preview day, and it's today. So we're gonna go ride Tron, and I have my Yammi Pro all ready to go, so I'm taking you on the ride. Let's go.
Okay, we're on our way. Yammi's going to get coffee to get a fill up. I'm heading over toward the Tron. This is the line. We're here between 2:30 and 3:30 line to go on the Tron. This is the line. It's all the way back there. Yammi's all the way back there somewhere. And this is it. Going all the way there, around the corner. Turn right where Space Mountain's at.
Alright, we're back here at the back of the line, and the line just keeps getting longer and longer.
Okay, looks like the line is starting to move now. Yeah, it's 2:28 right now. So Yammi should be heading this way, and then I'll be able to hop right in with her. So, yeah, it's moving. So, I'm about to move. Here's a Yammi spotting.
They said they I don't know.
Here she goes. All right. Been waiting for you a while.
You've been waiting a while, haven't you?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, here we are. Oh, there's the people moving. Now we're going to go ahead and head on into Tron. We're going to go test on the tester seat and everything else. So, let me find out. Alright, so here we are. We're going to go in. We're going in through the handicap area. And so we'll go up here and then we'll drop off the scooter. Oh wow, the music. Yeah. I haven't seen the test seats yet. Might be up and around here still. This is kind of fascinating in here. This is one long line, but the music is really cool. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this. Crap.
I okayed it.
You okayed it?
Yeah.
Okay. You okayed it, so we're all right.
Okay. So Yammi, you're about to do the test seat.
Yep.
Yeah. All the way up.
How's it feel?
Doesn't feel too bad.
Okay.
You want to try it?
No.
Now this is going to be the problem getting off.
Getting off of it, yeah. I forgot I said stop. Okay.
I can do it.
All right, she's all set.
And here we go. Team Blue, baby. Oh.
I figured that was you had to get rid of that.
I didn't even see it there.
After you go through the roof.
Next cast member, let them know you're going through the lightning lane.
Okay.
The light cycle run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times.
Are you geeked?
Huh?
Are you geeked?
Yeah, I'm geeked.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Get up against the wall.
This looks like an elevator.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Team
That's all we
Blue,
get.
welcome to the grid. Proceed to gate.
That was so freaking cool. Now this is what we were just looking at. My magic band was going off. Okay. This is really, really cool. Oh, yes, it does.
New Team Blue members detected for the light cycle run competition. Initiate identity disk profiling.
Yes.
Initiate light cycle run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to Tron Light Cycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker room before
Hi, we were lightning lane? Okay, he told us to tell somebody. I don't remember who. Okay. Okay. So we gotta pick a locker. I thought he was pointing that way though.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Two, but we figured he's gonna have to ride the back, but I want to ride the front.
You're gonna hang out right over with my friends, okay?
Okay. Friends over right here. Alrighty, here we go. I heard that.
Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Hold on tight. What? I thought we just like stopped for nothing. It's like, no, it's not going to break down when we're on it.
Yeah, I feel like it's an unnatural delay.
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to sit this long.
Initiate in
Okay,
3,
here we go.
2, 1. First energy gain captured. Second energy gain Four. 5 captured.
Yeah, baby. Woo, my hands hurt now.
I know.
Yes.
Congratulations,
Yes.
users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
That's the tunnel that the train goes through.
You ready? You ready?
Make it tacky. Hi. Just raise the magic lever right in front of you. Okay, Dumbo, let's get this show on the road.
Dumbo says get this show on the road. Okay, Yami's up front, Boo's in the back, waiting for us to start so we can get back on the truck, on the train, on the thing. Yami's up there, so we'll see.
There's Boo back there. Hi, Boo.
Okay, Yami's up front, Boo's in the back, waiting for us.
We're getting ready to go ride Dumbo. I lost my voice after riding Tron. And let me tell you about it. It was worth it. I screamed so loud. I got to ride in front. I screamed so loud. I lost my voice. So my voice is gone to ride. He rode in the back, in the handicap one, and I rode in the very front row. So I was happy. Oh, I'm on Dumbo, so I'm going up, up, and away. Okay, there we go. Now I'll just stay right up here and talk to you guys. But Tron was so much fun. You were so immersed into the ride, it wasn't funny. And when we got on the ride, I thought there was a reason why we weren't going. I thought it broke down on us, but for some reason it took a little longer. The takeoff Oh my gosh, that takeoff, I think it was faster than Guardians. So the takeoff was wonderful. I loved it. The whole ride I loved outside. One thing I don't like is that it's so short. I could have rode that, I could have stayed on twice and rode it and would have been completely happy. So that's the only problem, is that it is a short ride. But overall, the ride is wonderful. Oh, I can't wait to ride it again, which it will be after it opens on April 4th. So it'll be a long time before we get to ride it again. But I will definitely be riding it again.
Here we go, we're about to take off. Get up. Mine don't go up. Mine don't go up. Man, mine don't go up. Oh, there we go. It's up there. Oh, I'm flying now. I'm about to fall out. Oh, look at this. Look at the park. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I wish I was there. Oh, I wish I was over there too. Oh, this is great. Oh, look at it all. Enough of that commentary.
Okay, everybody.
All right, so that's it for the ride for Dumbo. We're getting down. So thanks for watching. Oh, bounce.
See you soon.
Alright guys, that was our Tron ride. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. My voice is out still. It's well worth it. Tron is definitely a must to ride. Oh, there goes the train. About to leave. And so are we. So, thank you guys for being here. And I love you all.